Hi guys, good evening. Today is November the 6th, 2025 and it's Thursday. Alas 10 ng gabi ngayon. I woke up at 2 a.m. today. Hanggang ngayon gising pa ako. My goodness. Hindi ako makatulog and so pagdating ko dito galing sa office, ginawa ko yung presentation ko para kay asawa ko. On November the 1st, guys, 2025. It was a memorable another first. Okay. It was the first on das without you, without my asawa ko. And sobrang kakaiba tong araw na to kasi this is um, after 2 months and 7 days. My wife passed away on August 25, 2025. And on November the 1st, 2025, it was already, it been 2 months and 7 days since she left. And it is a totally different story because, we never go to the cemetery on November the 1st and the 2nd because of the crowd. Ang daming tao and we don't normally go to the cemetery kahit sa probinsya hindi kami yung family ko hindi kami pumupunta ng araw na yun kasi nga maraming tao and ayaw namin makipagsiksikan. But you know what, guys? 2025 is totally different. Pumunta kami doon ng maaga. Natulog ako doon sa bahay nila Jomar ng gabi just to make sure na on November 1st, we would visit my wife. And of course, si Papa Lito, yung father ni baby. As you can see, there's a picture na yan. Wala pa si baby, wala pa siyang, what do you call it, lapida, right? Okay, lapida kasi nga, uh, papaayos pa. So, yun. We were there on November the 1st. Magandang araw na yun. I mean, nung pumunta kami, maganda yung sikat ng araw, hindi masyadong mainit. And of course, as expected, maraming tao. And we stay there for mga less than an hour kasi biglang sumama yung panahon eh. Biglang lumamig si Buntis, si ate. Ayaw kong mabasa so I said, okay, let's go home. So before we went home, we took some pictures. Itong picture na to with all of us. And we were wearing our second mask dito kasi we want to hide the pain of losing and missing my wife daily. So it was a totally different feeling. Sometimes nga hanggang ngayon, di pa rin ako makapaniwala na wala na si baby. Minsan, everything stops. Hindi ko ma-explain yung feeling, pero everything stops kung na every time na maalala ko siya na wala na siya. And when we were there on November the 1st, yeah, med- medyo parang sinasabi sa akin ng asawa ko na, okay, I'm here with Papa and I don't feel any pain anymore. So, yun lang yung consolation namin kasi we will never see her in pain anymore. Wala na siyang dialysis, wala na siyang gamot. So it feels consoling na hindi na siya naghihirap. But of course, on the other hand, wala na siya sa feeling namin. Ito nga yung sinasabi ng iba na kailangan mong balikan yung mga messages niya. But I don't want to do it. Sa akin, I don't want to go back to it now. So we created our GC, our new GC, just the three of us. And kasi ayoko makita yung messages niya sa akin, sa mga bata. And I don't want to do this for now. Siguro, hindi pa ako ready to go back to her messages. I'm using her phone Kasi I want to be with her every day. I want to touch her every day. So I'm using her phone pero yung ano niya, yung messenger account niya, I turned it off muna and then I logged into my username. And you know what, asawa ko, it's sadly life goes on without you and we will forever miss you. And you know what, nung araw na yun, we took a very short video and I'm going to play it for you right now and I'm going to play it with you guys. Here we go. It is
Ano ka?
Ano yun da? Alas 3 po. Miss you, mama! Tahimik lang siya. Talagang maganda kasi. Kasi yung sumasawan siya sa sana to mama. Nga.
So, kung naririnig nyo sa background, daming tao. So, ito yung video na ginawa namin for very simple, very short one. It's available on YouTube, guys. Ilalagay ko dun sa link mamaya yung aking channel. And yeah, this is our November 1, 2025, a little celebration, a little get together with my wife, my children, and I. Going to see you guys next time, and I hope that you continue to share our videos. And uh, we are hoping, and I'm hoping that we can help people who are suffering from uh, a great loss from losing somebody. Thank you guys. I'm going to see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.